welcome to VIKRAM Softwares. As you all know, we are coming up with BOSS, the business growth software brand. There are many products lined up under this brand, which we will discuss in detail later. Today, we are introducing the BOSS QR Google Review NFC stand. Why are Google reviews so important? Every business today is on Google My Business. It is one of the most powerful tools in the world for local businesses. Whether you own a cafe, restaurant, saloon, clothing store, or grocery store. Most customers check reviews first before they decide to visit or make a purchase. Businesses with more positive reviews appear higher in Google search results and create a strong positive impression, helping customers decide faster. Benefits of the BOSS QR Google Review NFC stand. Customers usually don't have the patience to leave reviews, even if they're happy, because of the multiple steps involved in reaching the review page. With the BOSS QR Google Review stand, customers can simply scan the QR and instantly reach your Google review page in seconds. Using NFC technology, customers can also just tap their Android or iPhone to open the review page instantly. Boost your business ratings, rank higher on Google, and increase your sales. The QR stand you receive is pre-printed and dynamic. You don't need to print a new QR code separately. Even if your business link changes, you don't need to change the QR code. Just log into our website qr.boss.com and update the new link. It will automatically reflect on the next scan. Get a complete analysis and report of your QR scans daily and monthly. How it works, step-by-step demo. You will receive your stand within 3 to 5 days of placing the order. For Mysore, Bangalore, and other metro cities, delivery may be within 2 days. Setup process. Open the package. You will find your stand with a pre-printed QR. Scan the QR. It will take you to the QR activation page. Enter your phone number or email ID and set a password. If your account is already created, it will ask you to log in. After logging in, you will be redirected to your dashboard. Select Change Type. Select Google Review. Example, Empire Restaurant, Mysore. And choose Review Request. Click Next and done. The pre-printed QR stand automatically updates with your Google review link. This is the biggest advantage of the BOSS Dynamic QR. Now, when a customer scans your QR stand, it will directly take them to your Google review page. Boost your business with BOSS QR Google Review NFC stand.